Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a special day because I want to take you guys on a journey I will do, traveling to a spectacular location where RedBull Hiride is taking place, an event for skiers and snowboarders where they have to hike for about 4 kilometers, and after that free ride the mountain. It will be a tricky thing to do because I will have to hike for about 3-4 kilometers or something around there. I will have to carry all my gear in the back and enduring some harsh weather because from what I've seen in the weather reports, it will be kind of cold and a lot of snow there. But I think I prepared myself well for this occasion. Yeah, I don't know what to say more. Just come with me and enjoy this ride.
You're going down with me. You're going down with me. You're going down with me. If you pull me down, you're going down with me. You're going down with me. You're going down with me. If you pull me down, you're going down with me. I'm suffocating as you try to cage me in, but you don't know me, all the shades of who I am. Try to catch me if you can, I just slip right through your hands. If you pull me down, you're going down with me. You're going down with me. You're going down with me. If you pull me down, you're going down with me. You're going down with me. You're going down with me. If you pull me down, you're going down with me. All the secrets that I keep, like a bomb inside of me, I've been waiting to be free. All the shades of who I am, try to catch me if you can, I just slip right through your hands.